Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add pop-up to Shopify. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to log into your Shopify account. Once you log in, just leave it right away. And what you need to do next thing, let's go to your Google search and search for Else site. The first link you will see something like this. Just click on that and you will end up over here. Here you just need to enter your email and it requires no credit card and it is free. So once you enter that, just click on widget on the top. Once you click on widget, you will end up over here. You are going to search for pop-up. Once you search for pop-up, you can see over here the first one. Click on that and you will see multiple options over here to choose from. And obviously you can edit all of them. So as you can see over here, so for this tutorial, I'm going with the first one and click on continue. And after that, you have options to, change the title over here. Like obviously I'm going to change it, and you can see we can change also the text color also, and there are a lot of stuff which you can do over here. You can even change the image, so it means that you can customize it. And after that, just click on add to website for free. Once you click on that, you might end up over here. You can see the plans, and obviously the free one only allow you to use one widget. For one widget, I guess you can go ahead and click on the free plan, and this is what I'm going to use. And after that, you will see something like this. And what you need to do, just click on this, or you can just copy that code from over here. We are going to paste that in our theme so we can easily see our pop-up in Shopify store. Once you copy that, you need to come back on your Shopify account, and on the left side of the menu you can see themes under the online store. Click on that, you will end up over here and go for the code over here, edit code. Open edit code, and over here on the left side in the layout menu, you will find theme.liquid. Click on that and you can paste that over here right away on the fourth line. So you can add that over here, click on save, and after that, once it's saved, make sure to save it. Go ahead and check out your online store. Let's see how it works. And as you can see, it is working now, and whatever I have changed, the color and the text, I can see that also as well. Obviously you will see the widget from left side also, but it is working. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to add pop-up to Shopify. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.